Good morning students. In this video we will continue the previous topic, complex numbers. In the previous video we have learned the addition of complex numbers, subtraction of complex numbers and multiplication of complex numbers. Now there are some other operations which we have to learn in complex numbers. So let's see. First is modulus of a complex number. It is denoted by mod of z. Z is equals to a plus ib. Then modulus of z is equals to, within two parallel lines, if we write z, then this means the modulus of z, and this is equals to under root a square plus b square. Second, conjugate of a complex number. It is denoted by z bar equal a plus ib bar, and its value is a minus ib. The sign of imaginary part will be changed only. In the conjugate of complex numbers, we have to change the sign of imaginary part only. Here the imaginary part is plus ib, so we can write it minus ib for conjugate. If z is equals to x minus iy, then conjugate of z bar is equals to x minus iy bar equal x plus iy. We change the sign of imaginary part of the complex number. So this is the conjugate of complex number. Now the last and very important part, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of a complex number. If z is equals to a plus ib, then z इनवर्स इज इक्वल्स टू, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, 1/z रेसिप्रोकल करके. दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 1/a plus ib. नाउ वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू a plus ib form. For this we have to multiply it by its conjugate, that is a minus ib upon a minus ib. कॉन्जुगेट से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया ऊपर नीचे. सॉल्व करिए इसको. दिस इज इक्वल्स टू a माइनस आई बी अपॉन a प्लस आई बी, a माइनस आई बी. दिस इज इक्वल्स टू, दिस इज द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, सो वी कैन राइट इट a स्क्वायर माइनस आई बी का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल a माइनस आई बी अपॉन a स्क्वायर minus I square b square. This is equals to a minus ib upon a square. I square is -1, so this is minus minus plus a square plus b square equal a minus ib is, if z is a plus ib, then a minus ib is conjugate of z, and a square plus b square is mod of z का square. Squaring both sides we get mod of z का square equal a square plus b square. So this is equals to mod of z का whole square. Hence we can say that z inverse is equals to conjugate of z upon mod of z का whole square. So these are the most important operations on the complex number which we have to learn and solve the exercise depend on these three. So let's see the questions. First we have to find the modulus of complex number. We have given that 4 plus under root minus 3. Find the modulus of this complex number. First we will write z is equals to 4 plus under root minus 3. बट यहाँ पर i तो है ही नहीं, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसको a प्लस आई बी में पहले कन्वर्ट करना होगा. 4 प्लस 3 इंटू माइनस 1 इक्वल 4 इंटू 4 प्लस अंडर रूट 3 and minus 1 is I square. So this is equals to 4 plus I root 3. Now modulus of z is equals to under root a square plus b square. A is equals to 4, b is equals to under root 3. पुट कर दीजिए mod of z इक्वल अंडर रूट 4 का स्क्वायर प्लस रूट 3 का स्क्वायर इक्वल अंडर रूट 16 प्लस 3 इक्वल अंडर रूट 19. दिस इज मॉडुलस ऑफ द गिवन कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. See the next question. We have given that 4 plus 7i. Find the conjugate of this complex number. Then z is equals to 4 plus 7i and conjugate of z is equals to 4 plus 7i का conjugate equal 4 minus 7i. The sign of imaginary part will be changed. एक और देखिए इसी का क्वेश्चन. 4 प्लस 5i का होल स्क्वायर. We have to find the conjugate of this number. Then first we will open the square. This is 16 plus 25 I square plus 5 4 20 into 2 40i equal 16 and I square is minus 1 minus 25 plus 40i equal minus 9 plus 40i. This is z. Z bar is equals to minus I plus 40i. इसका कॉन्जुगेट इक्वल माइनस आई माइनस 9 माइनस 40i. The sign of only imaginary part will be changed. So this is your answer. Now see the next question. We have given a complex number under root 5 plus 3i. We have to find the multiplicative inverse of this number, z inverse. We know that z inverse is equals to mod of z upon conjugate of z upon mod of z का whole square. So first we will find conjugate of z. Z is equals to under root 5 plus 3i. Therefore conjugate of z equal under root 5 plus 3i का bar equal under root 5 minus 3i. Now mod of z equal under root a square plus b square equal under root a is under root 5 and b is 3 का square equal under root 5 plus 9 equal under root 14. Now z inverse is equals to conjugate of z upon mod of z का square equal conjugate of z is under root 5 minus 3i upon under root 14 whole square equal this is equals to under root 5 minus 3i upon 14. Now z inverse is equals to under root 5 upon 14 minus 3 upon 14 I. This is your answer. So in this way you have to solve the questions of the exercise, and if you have any doubt in the question then you can ask. Thank you.